Looking to hire a roofing company? Here's how to make sure you're not getting stuck with a nightmare job. First off, always ask for proof of insurance and workers' compensation coverage. This is just as important as seeing photos of their finished work. Pictures alone don't tell you if they trashed your property or cut corners. If you like the look of the roof in their photos, get it in writing that the same crew will be doing your roof too. Consistency matters. Before they start, snap pictures of your home's interior, especially ceilings and walls, so you have a record in case of water damage or other issues. Make sure the contract clearly states they are responsible for any water damage caused by their mistakes or neglect. Also, ask who the subcontractors are and double-check their liability insurance because you don't want surprises later. If you live in Florida, steer clear of contracts with those 552 stipulations that limit your protection. Lastly, check with your own insurance to confirm they'll cover any damages related to the roofing job like flooding or injury. One of the biggest mistakes people make when hiring a roofing contractor is skipping the insurance check. Without it, you could be on the hook for costs if something goes wrong. Another common issue is not verifying that the same crew from the photos will actually work on your roof, which can lead to lower quality results. The third problem is not documenting everything up front, including interior photos and subcontractor details, making it tough to hold anyone accountable if damage happens. To fix these, always demand insurance paperwork before signing, get crew details and include them in your contract, and take thorough photos before work starts so you have proof if issues arise. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors, so you don't have to guess who's legit. Plus, it gives contractors a way to connect with real clients looking for quality work around their homes.